Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Japan Post Bank account to PayPal. This process allows you to easily manage your funds for both sending and receiving money. To begin, ensure you have your Japan Post Bank cash card or passbook ready, along with the phone number registered to your bank account. This direct connection offers convenient and secure financial transactions through your PayPal account. First, log into your PayPal account and find the Wallet section. From there, select the option to link a bank account, then choose Japan Post Bank from the list. Carefully enter your name exactly as it appears on your JP Bank cash card using katakana characters. Provide your 3-digit branch code and your 7-digit account number, remembering to use the on-screen keyboard for accuracy. Ensure your registered phone number matches your bank records. After entering your bank details, PayPal will send a one-time password to the phone number registered with your Japan Post Bank account. Enter this code to proceed with verification. You will also need to input your Japan Post Bank cash card, PIN. Finally, complete the direct debit mandate setup, which is crucial for enabling both online payments and direct withdrawals from your PayPal balance without additional documents. Once your Japan Post Bank account is successfully linked and confirmed, you can enjoy seamless financial management. You can now effortlessly send payments directly from your bank account through PayPal. Additionally, withdrawing funds from your PayPal balance to your Japan Post Bank account becomes a straightforward process. This connection provides a secure and efficient way to handle all your online transactions with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.